Today we're going to show you how to wash a monument by hand. We'll need a bucket with a gallon of water for the cleaning solution and a bucket for rinse water. It's always best to use safety glasses and nitrile gloves. Start by mixing the solution up in a gallon of water. Wet down the monument and work the solution into the stone. Rinse as you go. It's important to make sure that the cleaning solution does not dry on the monument. Any soft bristle brush is safe to use on the monument. As you can see, there's a lot of moss on this one, but the cleaning solution that we have available will take care of it. When you're done scrubbing, rinse the whole monument with lots of clean water to get all of the dirt and cleaning solution off of the stone. As you can see, the monument is looking better. Call or stop by our office for more information on how to clean a monument. If you would like to hire us to clean one for you, we can help with that too.